Good morning from Humboldt County, up in the Redwoods. It's Loretta and little Chloe. We're on our morning walk before I complete morning chores. And we're expected rain the next few days, but today is a nice day too, like yesterday. Supposed to be 64 degrees, I think, today. And a beautiful sounding bird up there. I don't know, this is just a way for me to say good morning to everybody. Welcome to my channel. Please like, subscribe, leave me a positive comment. What are you doing today? And thank you for those who have subscribed. Anyway, good morning. Have a great one, you all. Enjoy nature.